How to use your Xbox Family Settings app in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So what is the Xbox Family Sharing or Settings app? You want to simply go ahead and understand it as an app that lets you manage your family's Xbox experience from your phone or tablet. All you need to do is download the Xbox Family Settings app from your Google Play Store or App Store. And once you've simply done that, you want to simply go ahead and tap on Add a Family Member. Once you've added your family member's account, so they will just sign in with their Microsoft account, you can choose their role as child or teen or an adult. If they're a child, you can set screen limits, like screen time limits. You can set daily time limits on how much they are allowed to play. You can also manage content restrictions if you want to. You can also control their spending and purchases. You can make activity reports and get notifications. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.